Something's making a lot of noise out here. Let's go see what it is.